Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes the workstation you bought last year look like a glorified calculator. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was just the budget Mac. It was the cheap box you bought when you couldn't afford a Pro, or when you just needed a simple server to hide in your closet. But something fundamental changed in late 2024, and now, in March 2026, Apple is finally pulling the trigger on a device that shouldn't even legally exist. We are talking about the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just a small spec bump or a routine update. This is the first time Apple is using a technology they call fusion architecture in a desktop this small. There is a very specific reason the leaks are coming out of the supply chain with such intensity right now. Professional video editors are actually holding off on buying the expensive Mac Studio. They are waiting because the M5 Mac Mini is about to destroy the very idea of what a budget computer can do. Think about the sheer audacity of what is happening here. While the rest of the tech industry is struggling to keep up with power-hungry chips that require massive cooling, Apple is going the opposite direction. They are shrinking the brain of the computer while expanding its raw power. The M5 chip isn't just another iteration. It is the first consumer chip built on a refined 3nm process, specifically TSMC's in 3P node, which pushes the absolute boundaries of physics. But here is the part that will make you stop and think. The GPU performance is the real story. The latest leaks suggest a massive 45% jump in graphics performance over the previous M4. That isn't just a small generational improvement. That is a massive generational leap. If you are a gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who spends their life in Final Cut Pro, that 45% represents everything. It is the literal difference between waiting for a long render and being finished before you even realize the process started. However, there is a massive catch you need to know about. A price hike is looming on the horizon. Apple is moving production to places that might change that made in China sticker to something much closer to home. In a historic move, Apple CEO Tim Cook recently confirmed that Mac Mini production is shifting to a massive new facility in Houston, Texas. This Texas factor is part of a staggering $600 billion investment in American manufacturing. While it brings vital jobs, it also pushes that legendary $599 starting price into the $699 or even $799 range. You might wonder why Apple would put this much power into a box that costs less than a high-end iPhone. To understand that, you have to understand the Apple intelligence endgame. We are moving into an era where AI doesn't happen in the cloud anymore. It happens locally on your desk. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be 3.5 times faster than the M4. Some internal reports even suggest up to 4x the AI performance in specific workloads. That isn't just for a better Siri. That is for real-time video upscaling, running local large language models, and AI-driven coding. Apple wants the Mac Mini M5 to be the central AI brain of your entire home. But can a device this small actually handle that much heat? The previous M4 redesign was tiny, measuring just 5 by 5 inches. If the M5 is 30% more powerful, how does it stay cool without melting? The answer lies in a hidden internal redesign of the thermal pillars. This is a cooling system that almost no one in the tech world is talking about yet. It uses high thermal conductivity materials that pull heat away from the silicon faster than any traditional fan ever could. When we look at the silicon itself, the M5 and the M5 Pro are the real stars. The base M5 is expected to feature a 10-core CPU architecture, but with a brand new twist. They are using what engineers call super cores. These are cores optimized specifically for single-threaded bursts. This is the technology that makes your computer feel incredibly snappy. When you click an app and it opens instantly, that is the supercore at work. The M5 Pro, however, is where the real fusion happens. It is rumored to use a 2.5D packaging technology called SoyChem. This connects the CPU and GPU tiles with speeds we have never seen in a consumer device. We are talking about memory bandwidth exceeding 300 gigabytes per second on the Pro models. To put that in perspective, that is faster than most high-end gaming PCs that cost 3 times as much. This is a total shift in how we think about small computers. This isn't just about speed anymore. It's about a complete change in the Apple ecosystem. For years, the Mac Mini was the safe, boring choice. Now, it's the aggressive choice. Apple is betting everything on the M5 chip to prove that desktops don't need to be giant, dusty towers anymore. They are proving that the future of computing is invisible. It's a silent box hidden behind your monitor that can edit 8K video without breaking a sweat. Supply chain reports indicate that Apple is doubling down on unified memory. We are finally seeing the base model move to 16 gigabytes or even 24 gigabytes of RAM to accommodate these massive AI processing requirements. Furthermore, rumors suggest the 256 gigabyte storage tier is dead, with 512 gigabytes becoming the new standard. This means your entry-level computer will finally feel like a pro-level machine from day one. Recent benchmarks for the M5 series are honestly terrifying for the competition. The M5 Max variant has already hit multi-core scores of nearly 30,000 on Geekbench. Let that sink in for a moment. A tiny box is now outperforming the flagship for $1,000 Mac Studio from us 2 years ago. Even the base M5 is showing a 40% lead in Metal graphics scores over the previous generation. This is workstation class power in a device that fits easily in a backpack, but we have to talk about that price one more time. Innovation this big never comes cheap. With the shift in manufacturing to Houston and the cost of the refined 3nm process, the days of the $599 Mac Mini are likely over. But when you look at the performance per dollar ratio, it still wins by a mile. You are getting a machine that rivals the Mac Studio for a fraction of the cost. It's a disruptive move that makes competitors very nervous. Connectivity is also getting a massive upgrade with Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7, pushing data speeds to 120 gigabits per second. In my opinion, the Mac Mini M5 is the most important product Apple will release this decade. It finally bridges the gap between casual users and hardcore professionals. It is the ultimate sleeper computer. If you have been waiting to upgrade your setup, this is the sign you have been looking for. The sheer efficiency of the M5 means you are getting workstation performance without the workstation price, the bulk, or the annoying fan noise. It is a masterpiece of engineering that fits in your bag. It changes the game for students, developers, and creators alike. This is the peak of Apple Silicon, and we are just beginning to see what it can really do. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just a computer. It's the future of your desk, powered by the most advanced AI chip ever put in a consumer desktop. By bringing fusion architecture and neural accelerators in every GPU core to a consumer device, Apple has effectively made traditional PC towers and even their own Mac Studio look obsolete for 90% of users. My take is that this is the first true AI PC that doesn't rely on the cloud. If the benchmarks showing it beating an M3 Ultra are accurate, then for under $800, you are buying a decade of relevance. It's the smartest tech investment of 2026. This is the moment Apple stops holding back. For years, they protected their expensive Mac Studio and Mac Pro by limiting the Mini. But with the shift toward local AI, they need a high-performance, low-cost brain in every home. The fact that an $800 box can beat a $4,000 workstation from 2024 insane. If you are a creator, this is the only purchase that makes sense this year. It's the M1 moment all over again, but with 10 times the stakes. My best opinion is that the Mac Mini M5 is the hidden flagship of the year. While everyone is distracted by new iPhones and Vision Pro updates, the real revolution is happening in this small silver box. It represents Apple's final victory over the traditional PC tower. It is faster, cooler, and smarter than anything else in its price bracket. If you buy this, you are buying the core of your digital life for the next 10 years. It is the first time a budget device has felt truly limitless. Don't wait for the Studio. The Mini is finally the king. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and hit the bell icon for all the latest tech updates.